So I want to tell you guys that why I was so infatuated by this language. So hi, hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, I want to tell you that I'm not a teacher here. I'm just a learner like you all and sharing my experiences and tips that I have applied and I have seen a huge improvement in my spoken. And this is my talking session. I'm doing this English speaking practice, talking to you guys, and this really helps actually. If you want to me, if you want to become pro at something, you just have to do the practice. You gotta practice. Trust me. Practice makes a man perfect, and women as well. So you can practice. So today I'm going to discuss about I just randomly start my camera, so I have to think about the topic. And so I was about to tell you that why I was so infatuated by this language. So in my childhood, I watched a movie. I don't know the name of that movie, but a girl who came from a village and she came to a city, and people were mocking about her, making fun of her a lot because she didn't know the English language. And I really connected with her. So for some reason, I don't know, because I was born and brought up in the city only. But I really did connect. I'm sorry for the external voices, but I really did get connected with her. And then what happens at the end that she somehow managed to learn the language, and in a party or some place, if you know, you can comment down the name of the movie, because I don't know. So at the party, what she somehow managed to learn the language, and then suddenly she started talking in English with the people who were making fun of her, who would thought that she won't be able to speak in English. She doesn't match our standards. She started talking in English, and everyone was just shocked, walk, looking at her, surprised. And that made me really happy with her, for her, that yeah, she did it. So I also wanted to do that. And I was in English medium school in my uh, earlier school classes standards, but after that, for some reason, I had to switch to Hindi medium school. So that thing stayed in my mind constantly, and I wanted to learn this language so hard. And finally, I found YouTube, and YouTube really did help. Trust me, it does help. Everything you want to learn is here. It's your first guru, I guess. You should worship the YouTube at Guru Purnima. I really do believe this. YouTube has my heart. Yeah, I can't even tell how much I trust. I do believe in YouTube. So that thing happened, and that's why I really wanted to learn this language. And for people who are not, who really mock about people who can't speak the language for some reason, you should not judge them for something they can't do. For maybe they had financial issues, you should not judge, you should not make fun of them. You should judge them by their behavior if they are not behaving well with you. So that thing really had in my mind, and that's where I started learning this language. Whenever I see something in English, I have started speaking fast because it's raining and I can't. Okay, we need to finish 5 minutes. So what happens? So whenever I see something in English, I used to read that out. Whenever I read some quotes or something, I used to read that out loud, and everything written in English interests me a lot. This is the enthusiasm, this is the passion called for something if you really want to do it. So this thing started happening when I thought that, yeah, everything is great. Whatever comes to my mind, I just throw it out. I can't talk to you guys anymore because it's raining, and I've also forgotten the topic what I was talking about. Some more ends line I was talking, but this brings us to the end of this video. Hope you got that motivation again to learn this language. If you did, um, just keep speaking. Yeah, you don't need to subscribe to my channel. That's all up to you. I'm just doing my practice. If you want to do your practice, you can just subscribe because I'm gonna keep talking like that. Thank you for watching.